got you now. You made a mistake and let you came together. Got you now.
Be careful now. Be careful.
Move that shovel out the way. I don't want nobody tripping.
No, we got it. I'm the photographer.
Yeah, let me back out of the way.
You see? We go back up front.
You see how it works now, Ted? One spanking brand new sewer right here. Root free.
Root free.
So used to using them damn channel locks as a hammer.
Alrighty.
Toolbox. Yeah. Rest of the shit, tote box. Tote box. And this is the one. This is what did all the braking. This is called the shark.
Shark.
Has its fin here.
Jaws. One part.
Slices it like butter. Cast iron, clay, plastico.
Get him. Get him.
And then I just cut this off, and then everybody's happy.
So how does that tip, that metal tip, how does that
I'm gonna cut this off with the Sawzall.
But I mean, how did you affix it in the first place?
I put a cotter pin and hooked it onto this.
No, I mean that piece of metal that's hanging.
Well,
you know,
now you want vital secret information now. that concludes our you know.
Yeah, we give you that information.